In this lecture, we're going to show how we can modify our sketches and our features. So here on the Feature Manager Design tree, we have all features and all sketches that we have created and that we use to create this model. And now, for example, if we want to modify some feature, some sketch, we can go here, for example, to Cut, Extrude Tree. We can open this sketch and we can go Edit Sketch. And now, for example, we want to change the diameter of this circle. We can just double click here and we can change this, for example, to 7 millimeters like this and click OK. And we can exit sketch. Now if we want to delete some feature, for example, we want to delete this mirror, we can go here, right click and delete and OK. And now we got this result. Now, for example, we want to change the sketch plane of the sketch 10. If we click here, left click, here we can see here we have an edit sketch and here we have edit sketch plane. So let's choose this. Now we see that the sketch plane was this face. So instead of this face, we can go here and we can choose, for example, top plane like this, and let's click OK. And now we got some error. And it says the intended cut does not intersect the model. Let's exit this. Now let's go to Cut Extrude and let's fix this error. Edit feature. Now let's go here. Let's go through all like this and let's click OK. And now we got this result. We can also go here to Cut Extrude, Edit feature. And now let's choose Through All Both. Now we're going to have a holes on both sides like this. And this is the result. So this is how you can modify features, sketches, and sketch planes. Let's close this. And now if we want to see how this model was created step by step, we can go to this line here. And now we can see how the cursor changes to the hand. Now we can click here and we can drag this to the loft. And now we can go step by step to see how this model was created. So we can drag this down like this, and now we can watch step by step the creation of this model like this. Now we got a fillet, now we got a shell, and at the end we have a cut extrude tree. And now this is our process of creation. You can also sometimes change the order of the process of the creation this model. For example, now we wanted that this fillet will go after this cut extrude. So we can click on this fillet, we can drag this down, and now you can see the cursor, the change to the arrow, and let's click here. Like this, and now we see that the fillet 6 is below cut extrude. And now we change the sequence of the model creation. And this is how you can modify sketches and features on the Feature Manager Design tree.